Welcome to the Enneagram Course. In this course, you will learn about the Enneagram, a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. The Enneagram is a system that describes 9 distinct personality types, each with its own unique strengths, weaknesses, and behaviors. By understanding your Enneagram type, you can gain valuable insights into your own behavior, communication style, and decision-making processes. You can also learn how to better understand and connect with others who have different Enneagram types. This video is part of a 9-part series where we will explore the Enneagram, a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. Through this course, you will learn about the basic principles of the Enneagram, including the history and origins of the system, as well as how to use it to develop self-awareness, improve communication, enhance teamwork, resolve conflicts, and become a more effective leader. We will also cover bonus topics such as Enneagram subtypes, wings, and worldview. By the end of this course, you will have a deeper understanding of yourself and others, and you'll have practical tools to help you navigate your personal and professional relationships. We hope you enjoy this course and find it valuable in your personal and professional life. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to the first class of the Enneagram course. In this class, we will introduce you to the Enneagram, a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. We will cover the basic principles of the Enneagram, including the history and origins of the system, as well as the 9 personality types and their associated characteristics. By the end of this class, you will have a better understanding of the Enneagram and its fundamental concepts. The Enneagram is an ancient system that has been around for thousands of years. Its origins can be traced back to various spiritual and philosophical traditions, including Sufism, Kabbalah, and the teachings of the Desert Fathers in early Christianity. The modern Enneagram system, as we know it today, was further developed and popularized by contemporary teachers such as George Gurdjieff, Oscar Acaso, and Claudio Naranjo. Acaso, in particular, is credited with developing a systematic approach to the Enneagram and identifying the 9 distinct personality types. The Enneagram system describes 9 distinct personality types, each with its own unique strengths, weaknesses, and behaviors. These 9 types are named as follows: Type 1, the reformer; Type 2, the helper; Type 3, the achiever; Type 4, the individualist; Type 5, the investigator; Type 6, the loyalist; Type 7, the enthusiast; Type 8, the challenger; and Type 9, the peacemaker. Each type is characterized by a set of core motivations, fears, and desires that drive their behavior. For example, Type 1, or the reformer, is motivated by a desire to do what is right and just, while Type 3, the achiever, is motivated by a desire to succeed and achieve their goals. In the subsequent classes, we will explore each type in more detail, including their core motivations, fears, desires, and typical behaviors. The Enneagram is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. By understanding your Enneagram type, you can gain valuable insights into your own behavior, communication style, and decision-making processes. You can also learn how to better understand and connect with others who have different Enneagram types. By using the Enneagram for personal growth, you can become more aware of your own strengths and weaknesses, develop greater empathy and compassion for others, and enhance your relationships both personally and professionally. Before moving on to the next class, please remember to pause and scan the QR code at the end of the video to access a free version of the Enneagram personality test. This test can help you determine your Enneagram type and gain a deeper understanding of your personality. Keep your results close by as we embark on this journey together. That's it for our first class of the Enneagram course. We hope you have enjoyed this introduction to the Enneagram and have gained a better understanding of its basic principles. In the next class, we will delve deeper into understanding all the different types of personalities and how to use Enneagram for self-awareness. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next class. Should have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel.